Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four here from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for September 27th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We saw a lot of green on the screen today, a big pop across the board. The Dow was up 56 points, while the S&P 500 finished higher by 10 points, putting in an intraday fresh new high there. The NASDAQ also moving higher by 73 points. And the biggest gainer was IWM, which I will come back to in just a moment. So today, there was a lot of talk about a new GOP tax reform plan, as well as continued talk about more rate hikes to come. That really fueled the dollar, and especially financials. If you look at financials across the board, starting with the index, XLF, a nice breakout to new highs. So whenever you take out highs, like we did here, it is very, very positive, especially if we have momentum behind that move. There you see the index breaking out. If you look at individual names like Goldman Sachs, it is just about there, just about to take out those highs. But let's have a look at a few more names. JP Morgan, popping new high there. Citigroup, new high there. Bank of America, once again, above these highs here. So a nice breakout across the board. The dollar was another one that benefited from those rumblings. USD against the CAD here, popping big time. If we look at it against the dollar index chart. Oops, let me try that again. DXY. There we go. And you can see another nice move there. So strong moves across the board. Yesterday we talked about the inside bar formations on both crude and gold. Now on crude, it has become a multi-day inside bar formation. You can see that now it's two full trading sessions within that range, that high-low range. But have a look at gold. Today, the gold chart here, busting out of this inside bar formation. Not only busting out, gapping below and remaining low below there. Gold down about 15 points today. So generally, that normally means that we get a move in that direction. Of course, we do want to wait for some follow through here. But if we look at the higher time frames, it shows a much different picture, and it really shows the potential for more upside. We still have nice momentum here. Nice trend in place, and all we have is a nice orderly pullback, and we could be getting a pop here if we get a reversal signal here. Now, what we normally do is use this chart layout here for our members, and if we go to the weekly chart, you can see that not only do we remain above the cloud, we just recently moved there with momentum across through this, which normally leads to a much bigger move in that direction. And let me just clear off these lines so you can see it clearly here and zoom in. Not only that, but we're back below the 50 line on the RSI and a cross back above, which would be the reversal sign that we're looking for. And we could be in for the start of a move that takes us much, much higher on gold. If we look at the monthly chart, yes, we're within that cloud, but have a look at the pattern here on the moving average. We moved above, we came back to retest it successfully and held. So a move above this high here, and we have very, very good chance of this clearing the cloud and continuing to move higher. So both the weekly and the monthly showing a great opportunity, while the daily breaks down, at least for today. So this is one to continue to watch, because there could be a big opportunity ahead. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.